Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be working on a 66 Supernova. I know absolutely nothing about this car, so let's just get started. Be right back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, here we go. Got the base. I'll keep those wheels. Yeah, I might paint that white. Roll cage. Windshield. Okay, we'll go ahead and drill this and get it ready for painting. Okay, we just put the Supernova in the stripper and we'll let it sit there overnight, and we'll come back and get it tomorrow morning, or we could get it sooner, but not in a hurry. Okay, moving along. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this out of the stripper and we'll put it in our plastic bucket here. Get it cleaned up, get it ready for painting. Okay, let's put this thing back together. Get the windshield in already. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Okay guys, that concludes our video for today. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and click the little bell for future notifications. Appreciate your comments. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day, and we'll see you later. Take care.